Ayun, what a great performance by Trigo, kami Ganawan Performing Arts. At syempre, kasama na rin doon ang ating mga cute na cute, mga animal ambassadors. Now folks, give it up for Trigo, kami Ganawan Performing Arts. Palakpakan po natin sila guys. And by the way guys, mamaya exactly 5:15 ay may targets po sila sa Trigo, kami Ganawan, Bantawan area. 5:15 po yan. Okay? Guys, bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating show folks, I need your energy ngayong hapon at iba na say hep hep! You say hooray, okay, hep hep! One more, hep hep! More energy, hep hep! Ayun, mabuhay! Mareho po! Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. My name is Kuya Poy, and I'm your host for this afternoon po. Here's some background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005, and we are in coordination with the BNR, DOP, and BAI. Now as a way of saying, thank you for being with us in this crocodile afternoon. Brought to the show, we will meet our animal ambassadors and to get your free selfies after the show. But before that, I have some friendly reminders for you to follow muna. So una, sa mga nakatayo po, upo lang po tayo kung may mauupan pa tayo dyan guys and folks. Do not attempt to enter your animals while the show is ongoing po. Second, those who are leaving, I'm so sorry, can you finish it up or finish it later after the show? And lastly, for those who take photos or videos or animals, folks, bawal po ang camera. Charot na guys, very mga camera. However, just turn off lang po sa flash, okay? Because our animals here are light sensitive. So, double check lang po natin ang ating mga cameras, okay? Now, the reason why we call them animal ambassadors is because they represent their own kind and the rest of the animal kingdom to give you a message, and that is to protect, to preserve, and to conserve, and do not destroy their habitats. That's why, please help us with our mission in conserving them. By the way, we are working with all animals. As much as we obey them, we don't want to change their behavior. At mukhang ready na po sila sa likod, folks. So now, the question is, are you ready to be our animal ambassadors? Yes. Okay, buti pa sa left side ko, may anis sa right side. Folks, asan yung energy ko kanina guys? Okay, one more pa daw. More energy. Are you ready to be our animal ambassadors? Some energy sa mga folks. Now guys, let's meet our 3 raptors. Una will giving you his will come and fly. Now may I call on Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. Ay, nasa words. Wow, there you go once again folks. That is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. We decided to give them Atletus, Loco Gaster, Loco meaning white, and Gaster meaning belly. That's why we call them the white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea eagle are commonly found here in coastal areas of Australia, India, and Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines. Their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan po kalapad ang kanyang mga papak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na sila guys. Palakpakan po natin sila guys. Alright, now, pinili na natin ang ating second raptor. Ating ang katawagin, si Kali, our eastern grass owl. Ayan siya guys. Now, Kali boy, ayan, ready ka na? Ayan, relax. Yeah. Okay, once again folks, that is Kali, our eastern grass owl. The folks, grass owls are predator birds. Did you know that they can be able to turn their heads 270 degrees? Grass owls are nocturnal animals. Kaya naman, they're very rational. Allow them to collect as much light as possible during nighttime when they hunt. Fun fact about this animal, they are the quietest birds when they fly. Di po natin maririnig ang kanyang mga pakpak kapag sila ay lumilipad. That's all for Kali folks. Again, palapakan po natin guys. Nandito natin ating last raptor. Okay na natin at tatawagin. Pagaspas, our Philippine certain eagle. Pero guys, medyo may pagkamahiyain kasi gusto pagaspas po. So, hindi natin, no? At kasi kanina po, we are still working with wild animals as much as we obey them. we don't want to change her behavior. Now guys, ayan na si Bagaspas. We will show you how they handle it. By the way, Kuya Siren dito is merong toy Pixar na boy Bagaspas. Wait lang natin sa Great Hopes, ha? Hindi. Medyo may pagkamayarin siya. Kasi ko siya, guys. Okay na, boy. Tiis lang muna, Hopes, ha? Sakit lang talaga. Okay, ayun na. Hindi ba ako siyempre nakikita mo, dami tao. Alright. Okay, bye-bye. Bagaspas. Okay na, ano si Bagaspas, guys? Alright, tayo natin sa Great Hopes. Ayan na. Labi ba yung Kuya Siren? Ayan, natitigas nyo. And there you go. Alright, guys. Once they're in flight, they will lock on and dive on their target, talons first. They are smart enough to identify which prey are venomous and non-venomous and will adjust their attacks based on their targets. The most Philippine serpent eagle are endemic in the Philippines, meaning they can only be found here in the Philippines, which is based from their names. Alright, now guys, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors, but here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors, namely the Brahminicae, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, at syempre ang ating eastern grass owl. And that's all for our raptors, folks. Palakpakan po natin sila, syempre. Palakpakan din natin ang mga walking winners. Kasi nga Kuya Gmar, Kuya Dexter, at syempre, Kuya Siren. Ayan, moving na sila. Okay now, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Moving mo na tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. Makulay po ito. At ganito mo ito, Brazil, particularly the Amazon forest. Now, may I call on Barak. And there you go. Once again, guys, that is Barak, our blue and gold pagka with Kuya Michael. Now, Kuya Michael, kung may pang-freezing daw kung si Kuya Michael, oh. Okay na, sa mga videos natin nasa harap. Kapitan natin si Kuya Michael. Alright. Okay, ayan na. By the way, limit lang po yan, ha? Okay, ayan. Ayan, limit lang po yan. Alright, ayan na. Okay, huwag matakot. Kumantong lang na dahil si Barak. Don't you worry, always there. But won't bite you one. Just open your hand na po. By the way, so may hindi mabigyan ng seats, you'll be having your own baby, our animal ambassador. And there you go, okay na. Okay, once again, folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with the scientific name of Ara-Arona, meaning genius. Why are they called geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasing talino lang ni Barak ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. Just like most parents, guys, si Barak ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. What is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Papakita nga ni Barak using a Filipino footwear called Kadam-Kadam. Alright, now Barak, suot in Marcha. That is zygodactyl feet that were folks. To the front, to the back, allowing them to grab items from marching ball. Left, right, alright, and bump. Good boy. Barak, okay, dahil daw dyan, boy. Oh, may high five tayo ng Kuya Michael. Oh, high five kami. Wow. One more, isa pa, high five. Alright, at syempre, napaka-sweet at lambing ito ni Barak, guys. Now, Barak, kiss ko Kuya Michael. Gabi sa kiss niya, bigyan ng kiss si Kuya Michael sa kiss. Mwah! At syempre, ito pa. Nandito po ba kayo, guys? Okay, ito, Barak. Ito yung gusto ni Kuya Michael. Barak, boy ha. Okay na, Barak. Kiss ulit kay Kuya Michael, pero hindi na sa cheeks, boy. Saan gusto niyo, folks? Ha? Saan gusto niyo? Alam na, Kuya Michael. Okay na, Barak. Kiss ko Kuya Michael, pero sa lips daw. Okay, o, Barak, kiss! Mwah! Siyempre po, si Liri magpapauli yung host. Kuya Michael, kung kaya mo i-kiss si Barak, siyempre kaya mo rin ako kiss din sa lips na niya. Kaya po, folks. So guys, at hindi lang yan si Barak ay isang eco-warrior team. Who here segregates their trash? Sino sa inyo dito ang nagsesegregate? Katabi lang mga basura, ay mataas naman. Nagsesegregate. Alam mo, si Sir Apollo, sino kayo nagsesegregate? Iba! Ano mo yung hapon? Tuturuan tayo ba lang? Paano mag-segregate kami ang basura? So ano na dyan Kuya Michael? Alright, ang ating basurahan, we have a biodegradable bin. Or nabubulok pa lang sa we have a non-biodegradable bin or hindi nabubulok po. Pakikita mo na sa toys po. Please lang sa babas, as Okay, now. Na-check naman ni Barak Kuya. Okay, now. Barak, are you ready? Kuya Michael, mukhang ready na si Kuya Michael at ikahan natin yung mga basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Okay, ano muna kukunin ni Barak guys? A piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable. Okay, goodbye. Ang pangalawang kukunin ni Barak is another piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable. Di mo ito ang basura, boy. And this time, a piece of leaf. Dahon, which is gonna go to the biodegradable bin. At one piece of trash, boy. Leaf or dahon, saan nga ba? Ilalagay ang dahon to the biodegradable bin. Palapakan po natin si Barak folks. As you can see guys, kung kaya ni Barak mag-segregate ng basura, syempre, kaya din natin folks. Sana ay tulakan natin si Barak guys. Okay! Alright na folks, at dahil galing pa ng present si Barak, papaalam na po siya guys ng mga mamans sir, mga agas, mga kuyas. Wave bye-bye to Barak na po. Wave bye-bye everyone. Everyone wave bye-bye. Ano na Barak, wave bye-bye na sila si Barak. Ito na. Wave bye-bye na rin sa kanila. Barak, wave bye-bye. Okay, mag-bye-bye na tayo. Barak, wave bye-bye na. Oh, wait, wait na natin guys. Mag-bye-bye na tayo. Oh, wait. Oh, bye-bye. Ala. Ala. Boy, isang bye-bye lang. Isang bye-bye lang. Last minute bye-bye. Ibig sabihin nga folks, he wants to stay in the show po. Pero again guys, we need to highlight our other animals naman po. Okay, once again folks, that's all for Barak. Palakpakan po natin sila. At syempre, Kuya Michael, ang kanyang bugi-bugi Grino. Ay, haluin na sila. Okay, by the way guys, blue and gold macaw are the four largest macaw in the entire world. First is the blue Hayasek macaw. Now let's proceed on to our next animal ambassador, folks. Alam niyo ba guys, bagong-bago to sa amin. Okay, ready na ba? Ready na ba dyan sa likod? Okay, atin ang tatawagin. Si Beauty. And there you go. Okay, once again folks, that is Beauty. Our sulfur-crested cockatoo with a scientific name of Kakatuwa galireta. It can be found in Australia and New Guinea. So guys, sulfur-crested cockatoo use their crest as an indication if they are happy or mad. Ang mga sulfur-crested cockatoo spread their wings and lift their crest as part ng kanyang panliligaw sa babaeng cockatoo. But it also an act of discouraging other male toward female sulfur-crested cockatoo. At ngayong hapon po, ipapakita po yan ni Beauty guys. Alright, now wait lang. Prepare pa muna si Kuya Cyril. Alright, now Beauty girl. Ayan, wait lang natin sa head. Okay, now Beauty girl, ready ka na? Alright, now girl, pakita natin sa kanila. Oh, spread your wings na, Ben. Whoop. Alright, okay, isa pa, one more. Nasubraan na. Okay, now guys, as part of Beauty's enrichment, Kakatu's loop in branches as form of exercise and playing around to ease their boredom. Now, Kuya Lex, anong gagawin? Kung nabago ko si Beauty. Now, girl, anong gagawin natin? There you go. By the way, guys, that is their natural behavior po sa wild guys. Huwag mahito, relax lang. Okay, now guys, lastly, just like any other parrots, Beauty also have zygodactyly po. Just like Barak. Siyempre, gano'n naman tayo yung mga parrots natin po. Okay, now wait lang. Ayun po kaya si Kuya Cyril. Okay, now girl, ayan na. Okay, now Beauty girl. What is zygodactyly nga ba? Wait lang. Wait lang. Okay, ayan yung girl. Okay, there you go. Hila. Ayan na, siya folks, that is zygodactyly guys. To the front, to the back, allowing them to grab items. So ayan na nga, ayan, may paano na si Beauty sa kanya. Okay, and there you go. At okay na si Beauty ngayong hapon pa Kuya Dexter. And there you go. Balik na naman tayo, girl. And that's all for Beauty folks. Palapakan po natin sila. Siyempre ang kanyang body winner na si Kuya Dexter. Now let's proceed to our next annual ambassador. Pure Black po ito. Ating tatawagin si George, our Black Cockatoo. And there you go, once again folks, that is George, our Black Cockatoo, or also known as the Goliath Cockatoo. They can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. The folks, unfortunately, almost 100,000 hectares of their home are being destroyed. So saan nga ba nakatira ang isang lampang Halloween? So guys, they live in tropical rainforest po. Now folks, this day, George will show us how to help him restore his home by showing us how to plant a tree. So magtahan namin si George ngayong hapon ng Gmar. Bago natin gagawin yun, ready na ba gagawin tayo George yan? Ayan, we have 2 soils. And syempre, we have 2 branches. Alright, now, boy, ready ka na George? With the Gmar, lapag na natin yung kahoy. And there you go, buha. Alright, buha. Ayan, saan natin ilalagay? Dito sa ME. Dito. There you go. Okay, isa pa. Isa pa, boy. Okay, ayan na, slowly but surely. There you go. Thank you so much for helping our mother Earth. Now let's look at fact. They use their nest using twigs and small branches. Unlike other kakatos that they use their nest using twigs at ngayong hapon, ipapakita ni George ang kanyang nesting behavior by bringing in paper money. So bago natin gagawin yan, syempre magbibigay kayo naman po ang volunteer. Sino gusto mag-volunteer? Adult, kung kailangan natin. Adult, wala. Sino gusto nyo kayo, Gmar? Okay, wait lang natin si Sir. Okay, ikaw sir. Okay, dito po tayo, sir. Dala ka lang ng paper money na 20 pesos. Okay lang po yun. Don't you worry. Ibabalik po yan ni George. Huwag ka magkalala, sir. Okay. Ayan na. Hintayin mo na natin si sir. Okay, napatuloy na po, sir. Okay, dito po tayo. Okay. Palamakan po natin si sir, folks. Alright, ayan na. Okay, bago tayo mag-proceed now, sir, just follow lang po sa instruction ni Kuya Dexter, ha? Kaya mga kuyas, pag ready na si sir, just thumbs up lang po. Okay, pagkasimulan na po namin. Alright, okay na. Now, sir, are you ready? Kuya, ready ka na? Mga kuyas, mukhang ready na. George, get the paper money. Ayan, okay, kuha. And there you go. Alright, balik kay Kuya Gmar. Alright, sir, like I said po kanina, ibabalik po yan ni George. Okay, ganun pa rin yung gagawin niya. Okay, now. O, sige, ulit. Alright, now, boy. So, ulit na lang natin, boy. And there you go. Ayan, bigay. Boy mo, sir. Alright, nahulog. Kaya po kang okay na po yan. Alright, now, wait up. Sir, you can take back to your seat. Palamakan po natin si Sir, guys. Okay, now, folks, before we say goodbye to George, sana po, pangalagaan po natin ang ating kalikasan, folks. That's all for George. Wait lang natin. Okay, wait lang. Wait lang natin, makawait lang makapagay siguro si George kay Kuya Gmar. Alright na, boy. Balik ka na. Ay, ako. Nasa-check na yung hapon. Okay, ayan na. Bawin lang natin sa liit. Ayan. Okay, wait lang. Uy. Ganyan talaga sila, boys. Siyempre ko parang hindi ko sila, guys. Ayan. Amoy. Wait lang. There you go. Okay, guys. Again, before we say goodbye to George, sana po, alagaan po natin ang ating kalikasan, folks. Sa daso po, George, palapakan po natin sila. Okay, so let's meet us our last kakatus. So, meet up po na sila, guys. Puting-puti po ito, just like a cloud. You may call on, ito na, Jumbo. And there you go, folks. That is Jumbo, our umbrella crescent cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesia. The vestige of a recent global warming is due to pollution coming from our transportation. And this afternoon, he will show us some alternative ways to lessen our carbon footprints. Using a... Ready na ba kayo, folks? Pag-uwi siren? Ding, 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 ding! Bicycle. Now, Jumbo. Sakay. Pag-iwan sa pag-iwan. Sikat yung pag-reason ng kalimanan. Pakakala lang, good boy, Jumbo. Not your kids up there. Or maybe sa ating mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle. Nothing to worry about po because we also have a scooter. Kaya kung kaya mo bike, kaya mag-scooter ka sa Jumbo sa kagulit. Podjak naman, wala hatahan lang ha. Okay na dyan sa unahan. Oops, balag lang. Good boy, Jumbo. You see guys, Even your animals not so from Mother Nature can also help in use, reuse, recycle, and repurpose and some alternative ways for your transportation. That's all for Jumbo folks. Palakpakan din natin sila. Ngayon si Regalo Park ng Park and Survey of 4 speed. There you go. At syempre, hindi dyan magpapahuli ang kanyang younger brother na si JJN. There you go. Once again, folks, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill with the scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Mindanao, and ensis meaning belonging to, therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see, guys, their bills or ang kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And also, they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sa malapitan, ang kanilang mga pilik mata, guys. Girls, legit na legit yan, hindi sila nagpa-extension. Okay na ngayong hapon, magpapakitang-kita sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna, okay? Now, on the count of 3, you need to shout fly. Okay, what's the word? Let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and... One more energy. 1, 2, 3, and... Kuya Dexter, Kuya Jimar, ready ba ang ating mga kalaw na folks? Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. The count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! What a perfect catch. Mr. Bill and JJ. Alright, now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in a while, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nanliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na catch si lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl ng kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all talaga po. Sabuti pa sa ating mga kalaw, may forever, no? Because mga single ladies out there, ha? Kung naghahanap kayo ng forever, no? So alam na natin, nandito lang ang... nandito lang ang... Pwede din sa mga trainers, folks. Dito pa kayo, sige, nagkakita-kids ulit ang ating mga kalaw ng folks. Prepare your cameras, mabilis lang to, ating count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Known as the kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga kalaw dogs. A round of applause, please. The books don't talk about hornbills. Unlike most birds who walk from place to place, hornbills actually hop from place to place. So, tumatalon sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Pero wait lang, wait lang, Gigi, sige na. Gusto ko Gigi. Gigi, yung mic ko. Alright, thank you. Okay, wala para pulit natin. Nagulat ako. Okay, now let's proceed to our next animal advisor. 3 in 1 po ito. But before that, I have a question. Okay, the first question. What animal is believed to have 9 lives? Cats. Pusa. Kung sa Bisaya pa? Question. If Nicky is mouse, Donald is duck, what kind of animal is Winnie? Huh? Okay, anong klaseng hayop si Winnie? Sino nagsabi ng po? Ito naman ako. Hindi po si Winnie, ha? Okay, anong klaseng hayop si Winnie? Bear. Okay, last question. What kind of animal ang kamukha ng katabi mo ngayon? Joke lang, folks. But you're correct, guys. Ang ating next animal ambassador, he has a face like a cat, the body like a bear, and very impressive tail, like a monkey with a record section. To your left side, that is Teddy, our Palawan bear cats. Once again, folks, that is Teddy, our Palawan bear cat. We designed to make them of Arctic Binturong, locally known as Binturong, guys. So, folks, did you know that their tail can act as a prism? meaning it is prehensile in nature. The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga object na kasi galing lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan na ganyan ang kanyang tail. Same sa mga monkey at ipapakita yan ni Teddy ngayong hapon po. Alright, now Teddy, are you ready to down a boy? Ayan na siya guys. Ayan na. Ulit na folks, ayan na. Yeah, there you go. That is prehensile tail. Imagine po. We're doing that in a while to get some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy guys. Ang great na great po talaga Teddy. Uy! Alright now folks, may direct attention to your right na naman. That is the older brother of Teddy na si Uno. Once again folks, that is Uno, our other Palawan Bearcat. Now guys, Palawan Bearcat are endemic here in the Philippines. Speaking of endemic folks, dito lang po sila sa Pilipinas, makikita, particularly sa Palawan. And folks, the reason that there is bear in their name is because they are capable of standing up using these two hind legs. At ipapakita yan ni Uno ngayong hapon po. Okay na Uno? Basic na yan sa kanila is Uno. Up. Okay na natin folks. And as you guys, and there you go. And that is two hind legs in action po. Thank you so much, Uno. Folks, fun fact pala about Palawan Bearcat, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes po, ganyan po, amoy na nilang pupo guys. Once again, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. And guys, they are omnivores, so kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas, at karne. At ngayong hapon, Kuya Michael, ang bigay mo ngayon na Kuya, magkita mo sa kanila Kuya. Ano yun folks? Saging or banana, which is good. Once again, omnivores sila ha. May tanong ulit ako sa inyo, anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore. How about meat or karne? Carnivores. How about herbs, grasses at karne? Omnivores. Sabi galing nga. Okay, ito na. Okay, last question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas? Wait lang, sino nagsabi ng fruit salad? Hindi fruit salad guys, ha? Kasi nang nakakalantas kamay. You know the answer, ate? Ha? Come here. Okay, come here. It's all the audience. Tuturuan natin sila. Come here, ate. Alright, sige na, come here. Alright. Okay, eto na. Ayan. Alright, now ate. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas? And panapakan po natin si ate guys. The correct answer is frugivore. Sige nga, kung nakikinig kayo, ano yon? Hindi frugivore ha? Wala na sa isip mo eh. Okay, once again, frugivore. Okay, alright now, perfect. Teddy is back home na. Siyempre, Uno as well. Kuya Michael. Okay na kuya. Okay, wait lang natin si Uno muna guys ha. Okay, medyo mahintisi talaga ito si Uno folks. Okay, now, bago tayo mag-proceed folks, again, thank you so much for choosing Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo as one of your tourist destination here in Davao City. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Palapakan po natin mga sarili natin folks. Okay, ayan na. Wait lang natin si Uno guys. Na Uno, ayan, ready ka na ba boy? Okay, wait lang natin sa late folks ha. Napag-prepare pa sila sa likod. Okay, eto na. Okay, now let's proceed na to our last animal ambassadors. Ako sa mga inaantok dyan, alam ko, inaantok na kayo folks. Again, sa mga inaantok dyan, mawawala talaga yung antok dito guys. Ito yung artistahin sa amin folks, ang itinitilian at itinakikiligan ng ating maraming kababaihan. The fan favorite, ang inatatawagin na sina Piolo at si Daniel. Palapakan naman po. Once again, Piolo at Piolo. Daniel. Familiar ko sa akin. Wait lang, may kamukha ko siya guys. Manny. Wala ko yan. May problema ba? Yes, sorry. Hindi kuya. Okay. Ha? Sige. Folks, guys, all the way to the once again, we are still working with wild animals now. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behaviors. Ano kasi mga mga trainers, folks, wala daw po si Piolo at si Daniel sa likuran at nakatakas daw po. Kuya Michael, magpapawis na ako ito mga kuya. Kaya talaga. Pero sa amin nila guys, nandito na daw po sa ating harapan, maybe check under your seats na lang daw po. Tulog mo na gawin mo namin mga hayos na kapapalitan po kami.
Ano yung itsura?
Natin guys,
Monkey man ang tayo lang la?
Naku-inform na nila po sa kanya. That is our gentle giant na si Piolo at si Daniel. But you guys, you can touch it naman po. You can hold it. It's already trained naman po. So huwag kayong matakot guys. Sanay na po yan sa inyo. Okay? So di mga bisita hindi pa nakapag-experience, humawak ng ahas dyan. It's your time para hawakan ng ating mga ahas dyan. Again, sanay na po yan sa inyo. Okay? Ayan si Kuya Sino natin, ha? And guys, be gentle lang po, ha? Folks, makinig, konting paalala lang po. Once again po, konting paalala lang. Pwede nyo pong hawakan ng ating mga ahas. Huwag lang po ang ating mga trainers. Ayan na. Thank you natin sa mga mga guys. And kung sa ganahan, exactly 5:15. Ayan, we have audience po sa Tribo, Pamindanawan, Bantawan area. By the way guys, hindi dito yung far dance ha. Sa Bantawan area po. For directions, just head on po sa exit and follow the sounds of the beating drums ng mga sa labas folks. Okay, ayan si Kuya Mike. Kuya Mike. Okay, ayan na. Okay, dito na. Thank you so much mga kuya for finding Piolo at Daniel. Alright. Now guys, before we call at Daniel, this afternoon, I need 2 adult guests ulit po. Ayan, 2 ha. Pero guys, hindi ako yung pipili. Yung mga trainers natin, sumusunod lang ako sa kanila kung sinong pipiliin nila. Okay? Sorry na. Kuya Ray, Kuya Benji, si Ma'am daw na naka-black na eyeglass. Katabi ni Ma'am, yes, katabi niya yung may bata na naka-orange. Yes po, ikaw daw po Ma'am. Sige na kami here Ma'am. Palakpakan po natin si Ma'am, please. Again, so mga hindi mabigyan guys, you will be having your own time with our animal ambassadors po, ha? Alright, dito na po tayo Ma'am. Alright. Okay, now, Kuya.
Dili ang ginapili ng mga mahal. Kanang mahal.
Si Ma'am daw po na naka-black. Yes po, naka-black yung hair. Yes po, Ma'am. Ikaw daw po, Ma'am. Okay, wag na po yan. Okay, come here, sir. Alright, si sir na lang, guys. Kuya Michael, ikaw na mausap dito, ha? Ito na. Okay. Alright, Kuya Michael, pwede natin. Okay, Ma'am, dito na. Sir, come here, sir. Come here. Alright, guys. Before we pala talaga, syempre kilalanin muna natin ating dalawang bisita. Nahin natin si Ma'am. Ma'am, introduce yourself. What is your name and where are you from po?
I'm Shari from
Okay, si Ma'am Shari from Lang. How about you, sir? What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Michael and I'm from South Carolina, United States.
From United States. Guys, palakpakan po natin silang dalawa. Okay now guys, are you ready, sir? Are you ready? Mom! Guys, meet our gentle giants. There you go. Alright, once again folks, this is our gentle giants. Yung ating mga Burmese python with a scientific name of Python pipittatus. They are the third largest vicious snakes in the world because they can reach up to 24 feet long and 90 kilograms. So Piolo here is weighing about nasa 3 to 4 kilograms at Daniel here is nasa 8 to 9 kilograms. So medyo mabigat ito ng office si Daniel kasi unahin natin sa kila kuya. Okay, si sir. Sir, who are you with?
wife and son.
Family, where are you, family? Raise your hand, family. Okay, hello. Ma'am, kaya si beautiful photos para sa kanyang gusto. Hindi ko picture lang natin si Sir po. Okay, picture lang po natin. Okay, picture lang, picture. Okay, ayan, picture lang po natin. Ayan, there you go. How about, okay, wait lang natin. Ma'am, pag okay na. Just thumbs up lang po ha. And we should be good na ata Kuya Michael. Okay. No sir, thank you so much for participating. Alright now sir, you can say thank you si Sir. Alright, talapakan po natin si Sir guys. Okay, ito naman si Ma'am. Ma'am, dito po tayo sa center po. Center sa arena. Ma'am, sino kasama natin ngayong hapon? Okay, asan kasama ni Ma'am? Taas kamay daw po. Asan? Okay, hello guys. Mabuhay daw guys. Para kay Ma'am. And then there you go. Okay, Ma'am, relax ka lang dyan, ha? Okay, once again po, non-venomous naman po ang ating mga aso. Hindi nakakamatay ang kanilang kagat. But they are constrictor, meaning sasakalin nila yung pagkain bago lalamunin ang dugo. At tama-tama, nandiyan po si Viola Sinente sa liig mo, Ma'am. Joke lang po. Okay, Abel, teka lang sa beautiful photos for her, please.